everyone.
Mabuhay Philippines! Ladies and gentlemen, our honorable judges, we are proud to present This Is It, Philippines Meets World. The very best of the globe performs to the very best Filipino artists as displayed through our multi-talented artist robots. Artistry and being Filipino are inseparable. It is a fusion to the core. These artist robots depict our nation's innate prowess in the varied aspects of the arts. We shall recognize the Filipino artistry and the global icons as well, and at the same time, present the depth and the richness of the arts in many of its most popular means of expression. Dance, music through voice and instruments, and even the visual arts. Together with the theater of the future, using once more different components of the RCX and the NXT to activate this avant-garde center. Just like in any theater program or concert, it all starts with a ticket. Let us now begin and witness the robots capturing the artistic excellence of the world and of the Philippines. As we insert this ticket, observe the elevating chairs and the lighting are activated. Through touch and light sensors, Cecil the pianist and Corey the painter showcase their artistic prowess. Cecil the robot represents the world-renowned Filipina pianist Cecil Likas performing the C and G chords in a march and well-spent tempo in varying speeds. While we are being serenaded by Cecil Likas, we are also witnessing a tribute to a world icon and Filipino heroine, our beloved Corazon Aquino, presenting her passion for painting. As we push the button, we are able to command the robot to choose what color to paint in the canvas, showcasing the robot's artificial intelligence capabilities. Greatest entertainer who ever lived, Michael Jackson, and the Philippines' contribution to the pop music of world of music, Black Eyed Peas in Africa. Light sensors activate the program that we have developed in this robot, as they show their ability, capacity for synchronization, and creative choreography. The movies and the other mechanisms are triggered by touch. The song Billie Jean is one of the greatest hits of Michael Jackson of all time. Now we will be witnessing the trademark moonwalk of National Pop. We're also witnessing Apple Diab doing the head theme. Perhaps you're wondering why we have entitled the presentation as This Is It. Well, it's basically because we do believe that Michael Jackson has been an inspiration for everyone of us, not only for the Filipino artists, but for all the artists around the world. But in time, we do believe that there will still be a Filipino who will reign supreme in the wonderful world of art. Please, Micah. Definitely, Marianita. I'm proud. Let's watch them now. Michael Jackson has 3 interactive servo motors, 1 touch sensor, and 1 NXT intelligent ring. Apple Diab has 2 motors, 1 RTX programmable brick, and 1 light sensor. While the 2 sensors over here are Billy Crawford and ERP, which has 3 RTX motors, 1 light sensor, 1 RTX programmable brick,
From the Philippines, Julius Salonga.
Finally, after MJ and Apple Diab, we showcase the newest sensation coming from Europe, Susan Boyle, and her very own Miss Lea Salonga, our international Filipino singer and star in the world of Broadway and stage, singing a Viva G, featuring the NXT Sports recording capabilities.